If you're seeing the Bard isn't supported for this account error, don't worry. This common issue has a straightforward explanation and solution. In February 2024, Google officially rebranded Bard to Gemini and integrated it more deeply into the Google ecosystem. Most Bard isn't supported errors now occur because users are trying to access outdated URLs or using incompatible account types. As of 2025, Gemini is available in over 180 countries and territories, supporting more than 40 languages. However, certain account types still face restrictions. The primary cause of this error is using an incompatible account type. Let's examine which accounts work and which don't. Supported accounts include personal Gmail accounts and personal Google accounts with custom domains. These accounts have full access to Gemini's features. Unsupported account types include Google Workspace accounts, educational institution accounts, government accounts, and accounts with parental controls enabled. Now let's look at the solution. The first step is to switch to a personal Google account. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture in any Google service and selecting Add Account or switching to an existing personal account. Step 2 is crucial. Make sure you're using the correct URL. The old Bard URL no longer works. You need to go to gemini.google.com, not bard.google.com. Finally, verify that you meet all the requirements. You must be at least 18 years old in most regions or 13 to 17 with parental consent where applicable. Your account must also be in good standing with Google's terms of service. Following these steps should resolve the Bard isn't supported error and give you access to Gemini. Remember, use a personal Google account, go to gemini.google.com, and ensure you meet the age and terms requirements. When basic account switching doesn't resolve Gemini access issues, we need to dive into advanced troubleshooting. The first step is addressing browser-related problems that can interfere with Google's authentication system. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies for Google domains removes stored authentication data that might be causing conflicts. This forces your browser to establish a fresh connection with Google's servers and can resolve many access issues. Browser extensions can also interfere with Gemini access. Ad blockers, privacy extensions, and VPN browser add-ons commonly cause authentication problems by blocking necessary scripts or modifying network requests. Try accessing Gemini in incognito or private browsing mode first, as this automatically disables most extensions. If this resolves the issue, you can identify the problematic extension by disabling them one by one in normal browsing mode. Geographic restrictions are another common cause of access issues. Even if you're in a supported region, using a VPN can trigger Google's geographic detection systems and block access to Gemini. Disable any VPN services, proxy connections, or location masking tools before attempting to access Gemini. Google's systems are sophisticated at detecting these tools and may block access even from supported regions when they're active. Account verification issues can also prevent access. Google may require additional verification steps, especially for accounts that haven't been used recently or show unusual activity patterns. For persistent issues, network configuration problems may be the culprit. Corporate firewalls, proxy servers, and restrictive network policies can block the connections Gemini needs to function properly. Check your firewall settings to ensure Google domains aren't blocked. If you're on a corporate network, contact your IT administrator about allowing access to Gemini. You may need to whitelist specific Google domains or ports. Organizations face unique challenges with Gemini access. Since most Google Workspace accounts don't support Gemini, companies need clear policies for employees who want to use AI tools for work purposes. For businesses requiring consistent access, consider using the Gemini API instead of the web interface. The API provides programmatic access with better reliability for enterprise applications and doesn't have the same account restrictions as the consumer interface.